Let's learn English and Indonesian sentences in 3 minutes.
Have a nice dream. Have a nice dream. Semoga mimpi indah. Have a nice dream. Give it back. Give it back. Kembalikan. Give it back. Have a nice lunch. Have a nice lunch. Selamat makan siang. Have a nice lunch. Have a nice class. Have a nice class. Selamat belajar. Have a nice class. Have you eaten? Have you eaten? Sudah makan belum? Have you eaten? No need to apologize. No need to apologize. Nggak perlu minta maaf. No need to apologize. Look, someone is looking for you. Look, someone is looking for you. Tuh, ada yang nyariin kamu. Look, someone is looking for you. Have a good time. Have a good time. Selamat bersenang-senang. Have a good time. What's the matter? What's the matter? Ada masalah apa? What's the matter? How clever you are. How clever you are. Betapa pintarnya kamu. How clever you are. Nothing really matter. Nothing really matter. Bukan masalah penting. Nothing really matter. Let's come up with a solution. Let's come up with a solution. Mari kita cari solusinya. Let's come up with a solution. Wow, that's incredible. Wow, that's incredible. Wow, itu sungguh luar biasa. Wow, that's incredible. Where do you wanna eat? Where do you wanna eat? Mau makan di mana? Where do you wanna eat? Whatever. Whatever. Terserahlah. Whatever. I feel lonely. I feel lonely. Saya merasa sendirian. I feel lonely. So sorry, I'm a bit late. So sorry, I'm a bit late. Maaf banget, saya sedikit terlambat. So sorry, I'm a bit late. You can do it. You can do it. Kamu pasti bisa. You can do it. Take it easy. Take it easy. Santai saja. Take it easy. Thank you for watching. Terima kasih sudah menonton.